Hello everybody, welcome to 3D video number 2. Previously I told you how to make a sphere in 3ds Max. However, due to the extended length of my what they called a tirade against Blender and its users, I've been sent a cease and desist, so I'm not gonna say what I think about Blender or people that use it again. I think those are quite self-evident at this time. So instead, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a cube in 3ds Max. So you're going to want to open up 3ds Max if you don't have access to it, whatever, and you're going to want to click box, and you just want to click anywhere on the grid, and there you go, you've made your first box. Have a good day.